Let me guess. You re-here because you just tried applying for your first credit card and got hit with that soul-crushing declined notification. Or maybe you're staring at the application form right now, sweating over questions like annual income or credit history length. When you have zero to report. I get it. The system feels rigged when you're starting out. But here's the raw truth. In the next 10 minutes, I'll hand you the blueprint that has helped over 12,000 people in our community get their first card, with no credit, no cosigners, and no BS. This isn't theory, it's exactly what banks don't want you to know about their approval algorithms. Stick with me because we're diving deep into secured versus student cards, the real meaning of income on applications. And the one phone call that can reverse a denial. Page 7 of the FDIC's Fair Lending Guidelines proves it works. By the end, you'll know which card to pick, when to apply, and how to use it to unlock a 700-plus score faster than 97% of beginners. Let's begin. A secured card is like training wheels for credit. You give the bank a $200 to $500 deposit, and that becomes your limit. But here's what no one explains: not all secured cards are equal. Discover It Secured is the only one giving 2% cashback on gas/dining, free money while building credit. Capital One's Platinum Secured sometimes gives a $250 limit for just a $49 deposit. Yes, really, it's in their underwriting manual. But avoid Bank of America's secured card. They hard pull all 3 credit bureaus for a secured product. That's overkill. Student cards are basically secured cards light. Capital One's Journey gives 1% cashback automatically, but bumps to 1.25% if you pay on time. Free credit hack. Discover It Student doubles your cashback the first year, effectively 2% to 10% back. But here's the kicker: you don't need a SSN if you have an ITIN. Bank of America's Travel Rewards student card accepts ITINs with a campus mailbox address. I've seen approvals with 0 credit history. But only if 1. Their card is from a major bank, Amex/Chase. Report AU history best. 2. Their limit is $5,000 plus. Low limits hurt your available credit ratio. And 3. They've had it for 7+ years. Age of credit matters. Warning: if they miss a payment, your score drops too. Always get a written agreement. Capital One loves thin files. Menos de 3 contas. Discover Prefier Renda Estable, $8,500/mes basta. Chime eCred.ai usam sistemas alternativos, automas para reconstruco de crédito. Mas evite Wells Fargo els exigem 6+ meses de relacionamiento bancario previo. You'll need 1. ID, 2. SSN/ITIN, 3. Proof of income. But here's the gold: banks count non-taxable income too: financial aid, VA benefits, even cash gigs, DoorDash, etc. Pro tip: link your bank account durante a aplicao. Open banking aumenta aprovechos M22%, segundo a experian. Income section: combine all money streams. EX $1,200 part-time job plus $300 babysitting equals $1,500. Housing payment? If you live with parents, put $0. This lowers your DTI ratio. Desired limit? Always ask for $500 plus. Psychologically, underwriters associate higher requests with responsibility. Call within 24 hours. Script: Hi, I just applied for card. I'm building credit and would love to discuss how I can qualify. I have X income and Y savings with your bank. Asterisk 40% of reconsiderations approve after verifying extra info. Source: FDIC Consumer Compliance Manual. For maximum score growth, keep usage under 10% of your limit. X on a $200 limit, never let the statement close with greater than $20 owed. Pay early via the app. Most banks report utilization between the 1st to 5th each month. Have 2+ cards? Let one report a $5 balance, not $0, others at $0. This hack can add 15 to 30 points. FICO's active use bonus. Discover auto reviews at 7 months. Capital 1, 6 months. Ask for CLI via app, it's often a soft pull. Never close your first card, it shortens your credit age. Pair your card with a self or kickoff loan, reports to all 3 bureaus. $25/MO can add 50 plus points in 6 months by diversifying your credit mix, a huge FICO factor. Here's your homework. 1. Pick one card from this video and apply today. Procrastination kills approvals. 2. Comment approved when you get it, I'll reply with next steps. And 3. Bookmark this, you'll need it when your score explodes. Want the fastest path to 700 plus? Click here for my Credit Score Accelerator video. I reveal how to piggyback AU accounts, strategically open new lines, and manipulate FICO's velocity rules. Yes, it's legal. Smash like if this saved you $1,000 plus in future interest. Subscribe with notifications. Next week, I'm exposing how to get 5x travel rewards with a 600 score, the Chase loophole. Until then, apply. Grow. Dominate.